This is your reading for today. It is time to take the veils of illusion off that you have wrapped yourself in. It is time to understand that it is not the other people who are finding it difficult to accept this version of you, but you are finding it difficult to accept this version of you. You are finding it difficult to accept this version of you who is unafraid, authentic, nakedly vulnerable. And you are still holding on to that last piece that I want to make myself palatable, presentable, acceptable to the world, but I also want to speak my truth. And you are then saying that I want the support of this person in my life, that person in my life, emotionally, tangibly, so that I can then feel okay that, okay, I want to be myself, but I want to be myself in a manner that is acceptable to others. That can't happen. These are two different things, isn't it? But also understand that whenever we are at this place where we are authentically trying to be honest, vulnerable, really vulnerable, and put ourselves out in the world like that, speak with vulnerability, think with vulnerability, and that is the most important thing. Think with vulnerability. In your mind, can you be vulnerable? In your mind, can you take off all the filters? In your mind, can you just see yourself as you are without all those filters, with absolute nakedness in your mind? Stripping yourself of everything where you have to be palatable, acceptable. And even to yourself, the lies that we tell. So that even to ourselves, we should be acceptable. If we see the bad things, supposedly bad things in ourselves, then we are not acceptable. So even to ourselves, we have to cover ourselves up so that we are acceptable even to ourselves. That is the stripping that is happening. And whenever we are in such a place, it does feel difficult. We do feel we want emotional support, tangible support from other people. But see, that is the palatable version you have to dismiss. Why do you have to do that? Because you are setting out to create a new chapter in material stability in your life and emotional stability in your life. And you are doing it on your terms. And this is for your material growth and your spiritual growth. But you have to accept inside you that version of you that is totally naked and vulnerable without any lies to yourself. Now for some of you, listen, you are the trophy and you are the prize. You don't need anybody's stamp of approval. And this is a very strong message for somebody. You are the trophy and you are the prize. You are the structure, not anybody else.